It's Thanksgiving morning and we've got the little group out. Little dogs. That's Mac. Hey Mac. And Molly. We've got our Dotson crew over here. Willie Tex. There's Stella. There's Willie. There's our senior. We also have senior citizens out here. That's Matt Tanner, the boxer. And they are having a good time sniffing around on Thanksgiving morning. Here comes Muffin. Here we go. Yeah, hello. Hello, Muffin. There's Alright, this is one of our medium groups. This is Wembley playing with Tanner. There's Sophie. Come on, Sophie. Come play with us. There's Miss Stella. Whoa. There's Barney. Tanner again. Let's see who else we have. There's Miss Stella. Good morning, Stella. Happy Thanksgiving. Come on, guys. There's Dakota. We're having a good time. Here's Maggie and Dakota playing, some of our bigger dogs. We stopping for a water break. Hey Maggie, having a good time, baby? Oh no, oh no. That's a good girl. Yes. There's Wembley. See who's Wembley's playing with. And there's Opus. Yeah, they're playing tag. Wembley and Opus. It's our larger dog group. We've got a Mastiff hiding back there. Maggie! There she is. She went to the bathroom back there. How big the yard is. And Dakota. What are you doing back there, Dakota? Maggie! And there's our more youngful one, playful ones. There they go. On a beautiful Thanksgiving morning, Beaufort.
Everybody having a good time? Having a good Thanksgiving? Happy Thanksgiving. Hey, baby. Hey, playing, having a good time here at Beaufort Dog, Thanksgiving 2009.